afternoon, good evening, or whatever time it is. Obviously, we have no eclipse today, but we are going to show you this trailer that we put up for sale on Facebook, on the various garage sales, and I hope this helps because taking pictures on the inside just doesn't really do justice. So let's go, follow me, and then we'll show you what the trailer's like. So this is a 2007 Springdale. It's a 26.5-foot trailer. We are the sole owners of it, and we bought it brand new off the lot in 2007. Let's go inside and take a look. We're trying on the lights here, so hopefully you can kind of see what's going on inside. So this trailer is called a Bunk House, and the reason they call it a Bunk House is because in the back we have a bunk house, and we'll walk you back there. So in this little cubby is where you put all your little munchkins to sleep. Well, at least a couple of them. We had probably 3 or 4 people sleep back here. This little thing down here actually flips up for storage from the outside, and we'll show you that from the outside. So you can put stuff underneath. It does have cabinets. All the cabinet doors are in place. It has been used. But we do still have all the blinds, all the original blinds, and all the original cushions. We did do one thing where when we first bought the trailer, we did take all the carpet out that was on this linoleum. So this linoleum is the original linoleum that was in the trailer. It does have air conditioning. It's a 30 amp hookup if you're in a trailer park. It does not have a built-in generator. So that was something, an option that we never paid for. This couch here, these are cabinets that my wife is showing you. Some of the cabinets in here that you can put stuff in. This couch here is a bed. It does come out. Hasn't been used very much. The dining area does come apart, and this goes down lower and makes into a bed. Does have a refrigerator. The refrigerator works. Last we used it anyway. Has a microwave and it's on. The power right now, the trailer is plugged in. So, I mean, you could cook your little popcorn or whatever people do with their microwave, blow up eggs, etc. This pop-out has a switch here. We'll show you that. Right down here on the side.
Hold on just a second, the TV.
Oh, this is a TV spot. We don't have a TV in here. It didn't come with one, and we're not supplying one. But right here is this little switch. And this is what moves the pop out over there in and out. So if you just press this button, whoops. And there's the pop out moving.
Needs to be oiled.
And it does go in and out. And you make sure you want to put it all the way in before you travel. But we're not going to put it all the way in for this particular video. One thing we did do when we had this trailer, you always need storage or extra storage, or there's never enough storage. So I did make this little storage compartment here in the step so that you can put your secret candy or whatever you happen to travel with that happens to be secretive you don't want somebody else to see. I don't know what that might be. Your ding-dong hostess cupcakes or something.
I used it for tools.
Up here is the master suite. This is a queen-size bed, perfect for laying down in for 2 people. At least it works for me. There's a sink in here. This is the curtain. Somebody was just here looking at it, and they want to know if there's a curtain. And I said, well, I didn't think there was any curtain missing. But here's the curtain that if I were to unstrap it, you know, it slides across and covers this whole area. Of course, the medicine cabinet, so you can keep your medicine in there. In here we have a sunlight, and we have the shower, which is just perfect for someone to step in here and take a shower. But if you're ever in a travel park, use the showers and save your own water if you can.
Well, for me, I used it because it had a 6-inch tub. I think that's a 6-inch tub. It's great for giving baths for little kids.
This is your Biffy. It did not come with these towel racks, we put those in there because we just wanted a place to be able to store all the towels for people. And we put this little rack thing on the door too. This is the cabinet for, we actually put the shelf in. It's actually a closet. It has a coat thing there. And if you don't like it, you can just take these shelves out. I think they have a couple screws in them and just pull them out. This bed does lift up for extra storage. See, you can put all your tackle down there. If you're smuggling somebody, it's a good place to smuggle somebody. You know, I don't know what kind of things you'd be doing with this trailer. I assume you're not smuggling people, but, you know, even I could, like, get down here and probably, you know, get injured by closing the bed. So maybe you shouldn't do that.
We stored extra tissue, kites, extra sleeping bags, some tackle gear if you have some real expensive tackle gear that you don't want outside. You have drawers here in the kitchen. Here, you gotta, there you go.
This is the sink. Has this little nifty cutting board that fits the sink. What else? That's a 3-burner range. It does have a stove here.
Which I cooked mostly outside the trailer. Very few times did we cook in the trailer because I'm a diehard outdoor camper.
We added the little nifty paper towel thing with doodad there. Of course, you have these cabinets here that you can store all your favorite food and other camping supplies in.
I put our cookware in there. There's this cabinet right here by the bunk house. So if you noticed on this side of the bunk house, this little cabinet, that's where I put all of our dishes, plates and whatever. It's pretty big size. Under the seat on the table has storage as well. It has a front access here.
You could get in this way, or you can open up the seat
and
this way.
Yeah, and get in. And it has that on both sides. So this trailer has a ton of storage. We have modified, like we said, in the back room. And in this here, we added another shelf. This is where we put large tubs of things or our games. We took a lot of games.
It does have an awning. The awning still works. I'm not sure how good a condition it's in, but it does still work.
I didn't use the awning too much, so it hasn't been out too much.
Well, it's probably just weather.
Yeah.
That's all it is. So this is how you get in the bunk house from the outside. And so if you have this thing up, you know, you can stick bicycles in here or whatever.
Yeah, we hauled a few bicycles in here. I did a lot of like extra towels and sleeping bags. We had 8 kids.
This is the crank for the little jacks, stabilization jacks back here. In here is where you store your drain tube. I do have a new spare tire rack in the garage. I just haven't installed it, and that goes with it. And I have a brand new spare tire in the garage. Just not sitting in the. It's not out sitting in the sun.
One of the best parts of this trailer is the under the trailer storage. It is one of my favorites. It goes all the way across the trailer. You can really store. I put all of our chairs and all my cooking equipment and a whole bunch of other stuff in there. The only reason we are selling this is because our youngest 3 children are graduating and nobody wants to go camping with me anymore. So we actually don't need it. My husband doesn't like camping, and so it's just me. And
apparently
I don't need
the key for this lock. We have like 3 sets of keys, so obviously that's the wrong key ring. But we have the key for it.
Yeah, we have like 3 sets of keys.
This is where your propane tanks are, right there. Bone dry. Where your battery storage is, you'll probably have to replace those batteries. because they've sat for a couple of years and not really been charged too well. So somebody did ask me the question, can this trailer go on a truck with a lift? And I told him, it says, yeah, you just flip the axle. And I got under there, it's like, oh yeah, we already flipped the axles.
It's as high as it goes.
Yeah. So this trailer's been raised.
It does have the outdoor shower, and I put up a portable shower frame made out of PVC, and I put a bucket in there, and the kids took their baths right here so that the water wasn't going inside, because, you know, I just didn't want to move the trailer as much as I had to, and we would go camping for extended periods of time.
It's ready to go. It comes with a hitch, and if we need to take the red rails out of the back of the truck, we could do that too, but other than that, it's ready to go. Come and get it. First come, first serve. Whoever's got the dinero, they can have the barrow. That's kind of stupid, but anyway, come and get it. Now you know what it's like. Hope you like the trailer. Come and buy it.